Do you know that the Finance Minister of India released the Interim Budget? After going through the budget, I realized that certain sectors are being emphasized. This video includes stock analysis of key sectors highlighted in the budget and presents investment opportunities to multiply your money.
Once more! Once more!
I dedicated 20 hours to research and identify the best stocks for you. In the interim budget, almost 6 sectors are highlighted, but I focused on analyzing 4 key sectors.
कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर?
From each sector, I selected the top performing stocks and conducted a thorough analysis. Stay tuned until the end to discover the recommended stocks for your investment. I initiated the initial step of basic screening by conducting accounting checks, including a thorough examination of income statement, balance sheet, cash flows, and forensic accounting verification. If you observe sales growth or ROCE growth for any of these companies, most of them aren't doing great, except 1 or 2.
Wow! Very dangerous!
I marked the ones with not so good sales in red. For a detailed analysis specifically focused on renewable stocks, check out the video link provided in the info card or description. We have used color coding to make it easy for you to spot which company standouts in each category. For instance, in terms of cash conversion ratio (CCR), which indicates how quickly money is converted into cash, ITDC has the highest number and is highlighted in green. We currently have 9 companies for a more thorough analysis. The purpose of refining Excel sheet is to dive deeply into these companies. The Excel sheet is divided into 9 sections, addressing aspects like new capital investment, converting that investment into sales, converting those sales into profit, and then converting those profit into balance sheet strength with cash flow, and the reinvestment of that cash flow into business. All the actions of these companies are depicted through ratios in yellow cells. To understand the meaning of these ratios, you can refer to the Financial Terms playlist in the info card and description. In the analysis, the top performer is highlighted in green and the second best in pink. According to my assessment, ITDC and EIH stand out as the best among the 9 companies. Based on numbers mentioned, comment below which stock do you think is a better investment. If you want to make investments specific to the sectors, all 3 sectors in renewables show nearly similar performance. However, it's reasonable to exclude IRIDA from the comparison given that it's a relatively new company established by central government just 3 years ago. Don't be scared by the debt levels of these companies. They function as financing entities for the renewable projects, essentially similar to banks. An intriguing point to note is that REC is a subsidiary of PFC. Considering this connection, it might be a logical choice to consider investing in PFC among the renewable stocks under consideration. If you are thinking about investing in tourism, EIH seems like a good pick among the available stocks. In my opinion, railway stocks don't seem to have promising numbers, so it might be better to stay away from them. When it comes to defense sector, HAL is the standout performer, delivering excellent returns to the investors and its growth appears unstoppable. Disclaimer: this channel does not recommend any specific stocks, it is solely for educational purposes. Subscribe to Eagle Finance for more financial content like this.